Centre to constitute a fact-finding team to prop mass recruitments at various departments in Manipur ahead of assembly polls. Transporters and Drivers Council alleges BJP Manipur team did not meet BRO officials as claimed. Candidates of MPSC mains examination take out silent march demanding cancellation of interview. And people are apprehensive that Lamlai area will be deprived of the benefit of Thoubal multi-purpose project. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A team of BJP Manipur Pradesh led by President KSH Bhabananda met Union Minister of State for Finance and Cooperative Arjun Ram Meghawal in New Delhi today. The Union Minister agreed to constitute a fact-finding team to probe around 7,000 recruitments at various departments in Manipur. Speaking to Impact News from New Delhi, Manipur Pradesh State Vice President S.H. Premananda said the state government is violating the MOU signed between the Manipur government and centre in 2002 by conducting recruitment at various departments when the election is knocking at the door. He claimed that the assembly polls cannot be conducted free and fair if the government continues with the recruitments. Premananda said the government cannot distribute salaries and pension amounts on time, citing lack of funds, so why it is recruiting so many posts. He claimed that the recruitment process is a gimmick to collect money for the upcoming assembly election. Premananda accused Ibobi Singh-led Congress government of misutilizing the central funds and blaming the centre of not allocating enough funds. BJP Legislative Wing Leader Komuktam Toykishan today asserted that the BJP has never uttered a single word that may affect the territorial integrity of Manipur. The MLA accused the Congress of falsely blaming the BJP responsible for the threat to the territorial integrity, even though what some leaders of the Congress party had written to the centre in the past might have affected Manipur's territorial integrity. Speaking at the reception of Imphal West Adhyaksha Yumnam Dasumati and Zilla Parishad members of BJP Manipur Pradesh head office at Nityai Patuthek, the Thangmaiban MLA termed the day as a good day for the BJP as the Adhyaksha and members left the Congress party to join the BJP. He said the people's objection to Francis Ngachokpa contesting on a Congress ticket in Tadubi shows that people no more support the Congress. While Dasumati alleged that the Congress government has not given the central funds to Gram Panchayats.
Congress ke oriba Hujung Taupuri Bakar Rio Southern Nagaland Canberra, Karimta Akaibility, Chi, Masi Chias, either Putola Cheta Cheles, Barat Sarkara, Southern Nagaland, Puyamba, Karimta Akaibility, Iridu, Manipur Tugai, Yai Natraba. Manipur Tugai, Yai and a Sea River Party, the Manipurian, Kahangan, and Haraga, Board Commission Prazamianas in the abusing. Congress have said quite the oid the Bongang, but quite the Machin Tiba party have said, Masileva Miam, Kangbiu. Nasi BJP da MLA resign Toraga. Yaurak Pai say, MLA Oibi Mota, a Lebakan Manan and Louis in a Kalabakambu.
Convener of BJP Manipur Pradesh Election Management Committee T.H. Chauba compared the state government with Hitler. He said the monthly salary of a Zilla Parishad member is Rs 4,000 and the government has not revised it. He also accused the government of revising the salaries of the MLAs. Chauba appealed to all root out the Congress government.
This government is Hitler ki government ni mi makhangna pali maming paning de Hitler ni Hitler so Magi Captain mi Yankai Humbu Koishalaga, Adu Toro, Adu Halo, Adu Toro, Adum Toro Haibani. Sisu Hitler ni, Hitler gi, Captain Tarani Toilei, Tarani Turna Manipuri Department, Punamakparaga, Law and Maksumatlava, Adum Hitler Gisas or Manipur.
TDC has strongly condemned the statement of BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson R.K. Ranjan that the Border Roads Organization BRO will complete repairing of National Highway 37 Imphal-Ziribam Road within 15 December. Speaking to media at its office today, President of Transporters and Drivers Council H. Ranjit said R.K. Ranjan's statement is very unfortunate at a time when the state government is trying to make it a motorable road with the help of the TDC. He said the BJP team, which claimed to have met with the BRO officials, in fact met road mohoris. Ranjit said no officials of BRO met the team. He asked if Ranjan is a spokesperson of BRO. He alleged that BRO has given such assurances more than 100 times, but they were never translated into action. Ranjit said the drivers are not willing to transport stones for the repairing in the wake of Ranjan's statement.
Nung mayam se koi jama toksan ba hore ba koi semjan na ba na adubu lambi se semjan dana ba R.K. Ranjan na haya ba December ki tang trang ma bong de seng ga ga di lambi se seng ko na ba na tro kari gi no ba lambi se sem ge hai ba mi tang tholak tri se any party tang thok pi ro ba makhong ko la koi khoiram ge ba transporter mayam dolai da haba ka pu ge ba khoi adu state government da koi na haija band gi lambi se sem bi ra ge phare sem ge pacha lai ba lai ta ba hai kan si da sem dana ba na adu ada ngang mayam se kari no ba biaro na December ki 15 bogi manung si da lambi se sem gra ba ai ngak sam je len jo adu ngam dra di Dr. R.K. Ranjan kari tog da ge ba adu su reply piro Manipur government na mating bang di TDC na pangi ba nung mayam lupa lang mayam dri kai sakre adu di biaro na nong ho mating bang hai bra.
Senior Vice President of Manipur National Democratic Front, Bijoy Koijum, has categorically stated that if Chief Minister Okram Ibobi personally visits the Imphal-Ziribam Road, which is the lifeline of the people of Manipur, and sees its condition, he will be so shocked that he will not more want to sit in the Chief Minister's chair. Bijoy said the 7-kilometer stretch of road on both sides of the Makru Bridge is in a highly deplorable condition. Members of the newly floated party visited Ziribam to see the condition of the road. Bijoy Koijum said CSOs, NGOs of the Hills and Valley and Maira Paibi organizations have discussed with BRO the condition of the road and even submitted a memorandum to the governor. He also maintained that the road has not improved as the state government and BRO have neglected it. The former MLA urged the Chief Minister to visit the interior parts of the state by road instead of going by air. He asked the Chief Minister to visit Ziribam by road to see the condition of the road. Bijoy said the state government should try to reintroduce Imphal-Silchar flight to help the people. He also termed the inclusion of Ziribam, which is 220 kilometers of Imphal in Imphal East District, as unfortunate. Bijoy said if MNDF becomes a part of coalition government, Ziribam will be made a district.
BRO gi labor amata leirmaga thabak suramba satok sasin toriba gari sing khudong chananaba nung thabagi phibam leite leiriba machinery sing asi tha amani mamang dagi khamaga thamba adu mongda oi honorable prime minister India ki 100 days work program utkani magi development utkani hebdo Manipur ri sunglei leitre na lawi masing haki oiba prajada hak thaja hanba adune lawi Manipur sarkar amasung akhoi central government na athu tamda semjanba natraga lambi si pungting thingjalakanda Manipur gi praja khudingmangna magi leijaba puthokanda nung khangde ama khangde arebedu puthoga akhoi meyam changna semana tana khoi upai leroine khale.
Senior BJP leader Okram Joy has alleged that the deplorable condition of the road in Langthabal Awang Laikai, Little Rose Lairak, is due to the weakness of Langthabal MLA K. Shyam. He said the condition of the road deteriorated as another road has been constructed instead in its place. The veteran politician made this observation while inspecting the construction of the road under PMGSY. He said the road is constructed following his request to PMGSY Chief Engineer with the support of local people.
Ngasi di akoi MLA sing si akoi gi ain semba law semba leba gi thabak to da thikadar won badong tawi thika launa ba hona bada akoi contractor de gi thika mulga su baduna MLA ahai ba MLA akan man tawi laibak theba de akoi kendra se madu gi sajas do chale awna semaina semga saga bada MLA la mai miga thajan na de arbu to na damka damki ga to na de sab to ba du thaga torkano madu tawdam na phani aina harisini anu hujik shuri se lekai mayam swagi mayam subani.
BJP Manipur Pradesh is continuing with its poster campaign. Poster campaign for 4 polling stations in Yai School was conducted today under the leadership of BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President Hanjabam Jayadev Sharma. Jayadev alleged that the incumbent Congress government is deep-rooted in corruption. He said a poster campaign was conducted for the success of BJP in the upcoming election to save Manipur.
लाकदोरिबा 2017 दा पांथोकदोरिबा स्टेट असेंबली की इलेक्शन असिता अखोइगी श्री भवान देगी लिसिंग मखादा अखोइगी स्टेट असिदा अवोनबा अखोइगी कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट से अखोइगी लाक्तननबा बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट अमा लैनबगिदमक्ता पांदमदा अखोइना ngasi कैंपेन असे अखोइ चचबनी मखाताना अखोइ नहान तांग मंगा दगी अखोइ अक्टोबर दगी हौजबनी अखोइ पोस्टर कैंपेन असे अखोइ नमिनिनी मुक तौरे अखोइ प्रोग्राम खर लैबदगी नोंनिनी मु अखोइ पोथारुरे मखाताना अखोइ अदुम लेप्तना अदुम अखोइ चथजगिनी.
Candidates who have appeared in the MPSC mains examination today took out a silent march demanding cancellation of interview in Imphal. They are also demanding rechecking of the answer scripts of the mains exam 2016 conducted by Manipur Public Service Commission. The interview has been scheduled from the 17th of this month. Covering their mouth with black cloth, the group of MPSC aspirants GMA protested at North AOC. GMA General Secretary Sarangthem Vivek said 1,130 candidates appeared in the mains. He expressed shock at the evaluation of about 9,000 answer scripts in just about 10 days. Vivek said 3 days were holidays and it only proves that the answer papers were not properly evaluated. He alleged that the candidates were instructed not to take extra paper, but some candidates were provided extra paper. He said examination was not free and fair. Vivek appealed to CSOs and helped them in their fight. The candidates tried to take out a protest march from North AOC till the Chief Minister's bungalow. However, police personnel stopped them and diverted towards the DM College gate near the JN Manipur Dance Academy.
Handaki MPSC na logiba men's examination 2016 da moina yamna athuba matamda samna have within 10 days hajaribisu other 3 days some holiday lairibani aduda moina kamaina togduna yamlaba candidates 1,130 candidate ki paper bu yamna thuna kholibanu haibadu adubu question togjabani samna jab the mamangi 2014 ge 600 something student gi 2 months angi handak only 10 days kadani aduna haibadi akhoi akoina chingnajaba leje madudi koi answer paper du yamna hasty and haphazard manner da check togpire haibaduni.
One-day youth awareness program on systematic voters education and electoral participation SVEP was held yesterday at Kiamba Sanglen, Bishnupur. The awareness program was organized by District Election Office, Bishnupur. Speaking at the awareness program, DC Bishnupur M. Hare Krishna said, India being a democratic country, it is the people's duty to elect representatives.
Isana isabu sasung tawdaba karamaina tawba aina aigi mihut ama khallaga mihut tuna legon naksibagi thau puraga thadang ko puraga aduda akhoina isabu sasung tawdaba aduda bot hadaba yabraba aduidi ai aduda saru yadre aingonda maduki hakto aina pithokrabani adu ai amwana aduda khanani nabada yawada aingonda moral.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Ningo Jakobana lakpada imoy nungari na lamda masigi miyamda mahaulay bangari panghanjari. Imoy nungari na puthokcha bangari kudima hygienic oy ngari asi yamna lunan bifimamda semjabani. Gram chama amasung chani yangkhay ngari ki packet sing dukan khuding magda fangbiragani. Retailer oining basing nasu contact tawbiba yagani khoi address ti imoy nungari Sagolban Tera Sapamlerak Imphal.
Radiant Tutorial Yumnam Lekai Imphal, run by well-experienced CBSE school teachers. Admission open for class 9 and 10 CBSE summative assessment 2. Class starts on 6th October 2016. Class timing 4:40 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Features: regular unit tests, study materials, MCQ and study tour. Van service is also available.
Nungairba Paujel, Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda, Myanmar the flight Tongluna Koirunabagi, Achauba Kudong Chaba Ama KB Enterprises na Pizari, November Gitang Kunda Chat Kraga Tangkun Tarukta Halakadabani, Sopnatagi Airfare Listing Taramanga Kachamangada, Myanmar the Chatpiu, Package Ki Kudong Chaba Sufangdigani, Akupa Marol Gidama, KB Enterprises, MG Avenue Infalda, contact of you, Aikogi mobile number D 98620-28656.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Thoubal Multipurpose Neglected Area Agriculture Development Organization added that Lamlai area, which has 10,000 hectares of agricultural lands, will be deprived of the benefit of Thoubal Multipurpose Project. The government plans to commission the project shortly. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, the secretary of the organization, Telem Dara, said farmers of Lamlai area had eagerly waited for the project to happen, as it will ensure drinking water to the people and irrigate the agricultural fields. He said when advisors and members of around 20 farmer clubs inspected the ongoing project, they found that Lamlai area will not be benefited from the project. The organization urged the authorities concerned to provide the benefits of the multi-purpose project to the people of Lamlai.
अखोई लमलाई मैगी 10,000 हेक्टर्स पेडी लैंड लेबसे मसी अखोइना मखोइदगी यामना बिग होप हाइतारे हारिबा कैनोसिदगी प्रोजेक्ट सिदगी अदु मदुगी पोसे अखोइना ब्लाइंडली अखोइना यामना बिग होप तोजबो पोसे मसी हुजी कमीशन तोरमदाइ सिदा लमलाई मैगी लोपरी लिसिंग तरा से मसीगी कैन फैसिलिटी सी याउदी हाइबगी वकलुन जिम्मा मखोइदगी फांगकपसिदगी मदुदी खितंग अखोइसी खितंग मिनुंगसी वाली मदुदी अखोइ मियामसी हजुं वागो हाइबनी हाइबगी सेंस टू द अखोइसी मसीगी कैनोसी जंक्शन जरपनी.
The 8th Foundation Day of Pangal Students Organization was celebrated today at Manipur Press Club. Speaking at the function, Amuko and AMDO advisor KT Rahman appealed to the authorities to timely conduct coaching classes sponsored by MOBC department in view of the minority students. He also appealed to include Urdu language in the primary madrasa schools. Pangal Students Organization President Muhammad Ajijur Rahman, MSF President Onanda Babu, among others, attended the function.
MOBC department dagi separate pangan singgoiba minority department ama hangdok lagani haibasi Manipur cabinet na lawkhre adubo madu ngasi madugi directorate ama director ama thamgadabado MOBC gi hana leramba director Dinesh amuk hana thambiba taragadi madune hena amotpa khunai ama oigani samna hairabada ligli da sinba ligli dugi manung da yawba medicine di sindaba haibado aduga chap managani.
Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSIM has notified that application forms for the ensuing class 11th and the higher secondary examinations 2017 in respect of the enrolled students can be had from the council office from October 24th on payment of ₹60 on all working days between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The 4th branch of Pantoibi Housing Finance Company Limited was opened today at Bishnupur. The inauguration of the branch office was held at Kiamba Sanglen. The company had opened its branches at Moirang, Nambol and Kakching. The chairman and managing director of the finance company, T.H. Hemo, said the company will open its branch offices in other states after the Thoubal and Sekmai branch offices are opened.
Laiva 16 October se mase koi classic grande singmairong da lebasi masig imperial hall da koi special gathering ama akoi Pantoibi housing finance company limited sena organize tawjari honorable CM dagi hobiraga deputy CM ai ngasai panjak ri bolida mayam se ai.
Artists of DIPR drama unit condoled the death of renowned theatre personality Haishnam Kanhailal. Kanhailal was the first producer of the drama unit. In a condolence meeting, the artists paid their respect to the renowned director and shared the loss of his family. Mera Hauchongba Tausillup will celebrate the age-old tradition of Mera Hauchongba on the 16th of this month at the Kangla and the Palace. Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba told the media persons at a press meet at Sanakonung that since time immemorial, people of the hills and valley jointly participated in Mera Hautongba celebration. He said the festival strengthens the bond between the people of hills and the valley. The main function will be held at the Kangla and people will take out a procession from the palace to the Kangla at 8 in the morning. After the ritual at the Kangla, the people will gather at the palace and gifts will be exchanged among the people of the hills and valley. Laisemba Sanajauba appealed to people to not call for bans and blockades on the day.
Mera Hautong Bible Thorom si Mamang Degi, La Yuba Thorom Yamama, Gan Biatana, Pangto. At the Haiba Kumaisi, like the Thoronga, the Kuni Harau Kumega and is Pulaga, Pangtopa, and Kalu Puru Kutima, Lying like so Canabalatana, Loinamana, Kuyawa Yaba, Kumayamani. Masigumba ikoi pai kuna thambiramba sing tamji pai kusina yam nusina thambiramba kumai sincha ikoi masi maram sana aduga maram khangna koi pangthok nagadi ikoi marakta leiramba misunderstanding mayam samin thamina dabadagi ikoi masense lapthok ba mayam unadabadagi ikoi masense kauna ba mayam sibugo mayam se haiba kumai sina unamak mangan bo isuru.
Now the sports news. Ipat Thokok Center for Arts and Culture, Uripok Narimthong organized the 39th All Manipur Mukna Takatnabi competition. The Mukna competition was held at the complex of the center at Lamphilpat. 44 wrestlers from various parts of the state took part in the competition. People witnessed the Mukna, which is a dying game of the state. Kaching runners will organize Far East Ultrathon, a cross-border run from November 4 to 6. In a press release, the Kaching runners will organize the 75-kilometer run from Tammu in Myanmar and will end at Kaching. In the matches of the 11th Manipur State League played today, Anauba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkai beat FC Zealand Sadar Hills 3-2. Mohammad Fiat Uddin Saha netted 1 goal while N. Pritam netted 2 goals for the winner. N. Pritam was awarded a red card and suspended from the match for his foul in the 70th and 92nd minutes of the match. The 41st league match played between Niroka FC Sangakpam and USA Kurai was postponed due to rain. The matches between Nisa Thangmaiban and Golban United and Trukpu Nambol Nako Lambol Mapal will be held at Mapal Kangtribung if there is no rain, and if the weather is fine, the matches will be held at Kuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Center to constitute a fact-finding team to probe mass recruitments at various departments in Manipur ahead of assembly polls. Transporters and Drivers Council alleged BJP Manipur team did not meet BRO officials as claimed. Candidates of MPSC mains examination take out silent march demanding cancellation of interview. And people are apprehensive that Lamlai area will be deprived of the benefit of Taubal multi-purpose project.